Have you ever needed to cut off everything after a certain number of characters in Excel? Maybe you're dealing with long product codes or messy imported data. Today, I'll show you two powerful methods to delete strings after any nth character in Excel. One method uses formulas and the other uses a powerful tool that can handle this instantly. Can you guess which one is faster? Let's find out. Let's say you have data in column A and you want to keep only the first 5 characters, removing everything after that. For example, prod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 becomes prod 1. Method 1. Left function formula. Select a blank cell next to your data, like cell B1. Enter this formula, equals left. A 1, 5 enter, and you'll see only the first 5 characters. Now drag the fill handle down to copy this formula to other rows. Excel automatically adjusts the cell references. This method is best when you want a quick solution where the number of characters to keep is fixed, and when your data is in a table where you want to keep the process transparent and reversible. However, it's less suitable for very large data sets or when you want to remove characters in place, since you'll need to copy and paste the results over the original values. Remember, formulas update dynamically. If the source cell changes, the result adjusts automatically. Method 2. Kutools approach. For a faster solution, use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, select your data range. Go to the Kutools tab and select text greater than remove by position. In the numbers text box, enter a large number like 999 to remove all characters after the nth character. Select Specify Start Position and enter 6 to start removing from the 6th character, keeping the first 5. Click OK. Kutools processes your entire selection instantly, removing all characters after the 5th position from every cell. This method works directly on your original data with no extra columns needed. You now have 2 effective methods to delete strings after any nth character in Excel. Use the left function for transparent, reversible solutions, or Kutools for direct data modification and speed. Try both methods and see which fits your workflow better. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. Don't forget to share this with anyone who might be struggling with messy Excel data. Thanks for watching.